Did you know your body has an amazing natural system that helps it heal, stay fit, and even protect against diseases like cancer? In this video, we'll look at simple, effective daily habits inspired by 5 brilliant Japanese scientists who've changed how we understand health and longevity. We'll begin with Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, the Nobel Prize winner who discovered autophagy, a powerful process where your cells clean and renew themselves. Then we'll look at the work of Dr. Takayuki Teruya, who studies the effects of fasting on metabolism, and Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, one of Japan's most respected experts on long life. We'll also learn from Dr. Yumi Hara, a top doctor who has treated Japanese prime ministers, and Dr. Hiromi Shinya, a famous gut specialist who highlighted the link between enzymes, food, and disease prevention. By the end of this video, you'll know how autophagy works and how to trigger it daily to boost your health and longevity. So, what is autophagy? Autophagy is your body's way of cleaning itself at the cellular level. It acts like a built-in detox system that removes damaged parts from your cells, making room for stronger, healthier ones. Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi found that autophagy becomes more active during fasting or stress, helping the body repair itself, manage weight, and lower disease risk, including cancer. In his Nobel speech, Dr. Ohsumi explained that without autophagy, our cells simply can't function. It's key for staying energized, balanced, and healthy. He also believed that sharing ideas and working together is vital for science. Since his discovery, many other scientists have expanded on his work, linking autophagy to aging, cancer, immunity, and brain health. The main lesson? Supporting your body's natural cleaning system through both lifestyle and diet is vital for long-term health. The good news? It's not hard to do. Here are 3 simple diet and lifestyle habits from Japan's top health experts that can help activate autophagy and improve your health. Tip number 1. Activate autophagy with intermittent fasting. One of the easiest and most powerful ways to activate autophagy is through intermittent fasting, a habit that has been quietly practiced in Japanese culture for generations. Intermittent fasting simply means choosing a daily period of time when you don't eat, which gives your body a chance to move from digesting food to focusing on deep repair at the cellular level. Many Japanese researchers, building on the work of Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, suggest fasting for 12 to 16 hours each day. This mirrors the natural eating rhythm of older generations in Japan, who often skip meals or leave long gaps between dinner and breakfast. Without even realizing it, they support their body's built-in cleaning and renewal systems. A leading voice in this field is Dr. Takayuki Teruya, a Japanese expert who studies how fasting affects metabolism. His research shows that fasting goes far beyond just weight loss. It helps activate key systems in the body that improve energy, increase antioxidant levels, and may even slow down aging. According to his studies, fasting triggers metabolic changes that boost the production of molecules involved in energy and cell repair. It also increases antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals, protecting the body from disease. Even more interesting, his research suggests that fasting may help reduce the impact of aging by supporting natural repair processes inside cells. Dr. Teruya believes fasting plays an important role in boosting health by recharging metabolism, strengthening the body's defense systems, and potentially helping people live longer. So, if you want a simple and science-backed way to support your health, try adding intermittent fasting to your daily routine. Tip number 2. Practice Hara Hachi Bu. The second habit is based on a traditional Japanese concept called Hara Hachi Bu, which means stop eating when you're 80% full. This simple idea, deeply rooted in Okinawan culture and backed by research on longevity, promotes mindful eating and gentle calorie restriction without causing malnutrition. By not overeating, the body experiences less metabolic stress and has more energy to focus on repair and maintenance. This mild calorie reduction, especially when combined with long breaks between meals, naturally supports autophagy, the body's internal cleansing process. In Okinawa, a region known as a blue zone for its high number of people living past 100, this approach to eating has been followed for generations. Okinawans typically eat early, light dinners and avoid late-night snacks. This habit creates a long overnight fasting window, which encourages the body to enter repair mode and clean up damaged cells. Without even realizing it, they have built autophagy into their daily lives through simple, natural routines. One of the strongest advocates of this lifestyle was Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, one of Japan's most respected doctors and longevity experts. He lived and worked actively until the age of 105. Dr. Hinohara believed that staying mentally and physically engaged was key to a long life. His diet advice was clear: eat lightly, avoid too much sugar and processed food, and follow Hara Hachi Bu. He credited this approach with helping people maintain a healthy weight and avoid many chronic diseases. Dr. Hinohara also believed in staying active no matter your age. He preferred stairs over elevators, walked every day, and encouraged others to do the same. While he valued medicine, he also cautioned against depending too much on doctors. Instead, he supported preventive health, having a curious and positive mindset, and taking responsibility for your own well-being. He often said that staying joyful and curious helps you stay young and even forget pain. Tip number 3. Eat the right foods to support autophagy. What we eat can strongly influence how well autophagy works in the body. Dr. Yumi Ishihara, a respected physician who has treated Japanese prime ministers and leads the Ishihara Clinic in Tokyo, promotes a special form of modified fasting to support health and cellular renewal. His approach includes a liquid breakfast made of fresh carrot or apple juice, skipping lunch in favor of black tea with black sugar and ginger, and having one solid meal a day. This pattern creates longer fasting windows that naturally activate autophagy and support the body's repair systems. Dr. Ishihara believes that most people today eat more than they need, and he often encourages the practice of Hara Hachi Bu, eating until you're 80% full, as a way to prevent overeating and support long-term health. His suggested morning juice helps gently break a fast and provides essential nutrients without burdening digestion. Carrot juice, rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, supports skin and eye health, aids liver detox, and soothes the stomach. Apple juice, high in antioxidants like quercetin, helps restore electrolytes and supports digestion with its natural pectin content. To avoid sudden spikes in blood sugar, it's best to start with half a glass of juice and wait 10 to 20 minutes before eating anything else. Adding a small handful of nuts or a spoon of olive oil can help slow sugar absorption and keep your energy stable. Another great drink that fits into this routine is black tea with black sugar and ginger. This traditional mix is warming, nourishing, and offers many health benefits. Black tea is full of antioxidants that support heart health and metabolism. Black sugar, known as kurosato, is less processed than white sugar and contains helpful minerals like iron, calcium, and potassium. Ginger brings strong anti-inflammatory effects, improves digestion, boosts circulation, and strengthens the immune system. Following Dr. Ishihara's guidance, it's also helpful to reduce the number of solid meals you eat daily. Ideally, just 1 or 2. These meals should focus on whole, plant-based foods. A traditional Japanese diet filled with vegetables, seaweed, fermented foods, fish, and legumes like miso, natto, and soybeans, along with whole grains such as brown rice and barley, gives your body everything it needs to stay healthy while naturally supporting autophagy. Tip number 4. Support gut health and autophagy with enzyme-rich foods. Dr. Hiromi Shinya, a well-known Japanese-American gastroenterologist, strongly believed that a healthy gut was the foundation of overall health. His dietary approach focused on eating fresh, enzyme-rich plant foods such as vegetables and fruits, while keeping meat intake low. According to his Shinya biozyme theory, a mostly plant-based diet helps digestion, lowers inflammation, and supports the body's natural repair systems, including autophagy. He saw diet not just as nutrition, but as a powerful tool to reduce internal stress and promote long-term wellness. Dr. Shinya also recommended fasting as part of everyday life. He introduced what he called the Shinya Little Fast, a 16-hour fasting period that includes an early dinner followed by a late breakfast the next day. This gives your digestive system time to rest and reset, which in turn encourages internal cleanup through autophagy. By following these core principles, eating enzyme-rich, plant-based meals, staying hydrated, choosing antioxidant-rich drinks like green tea, and practicing gentle fasting, you can support your gut, activate autophagy, and help your body stay clean, balanced, and healthy over time.